First, fold your fabric in half from selvage to selvage, fold it in half again, and fold it another half. Then, mark out 8 inches and cut. Once that is done, trim the selvage edges. And then sew the ends together with right side facing each other. Once that is done, flip it over, fold the top layer in half, and also fold the bottom layer in half, making sure to match the side seams so that you get a nice neat scrunchie later. Once that is done, you want to sew around the edges, making sure that you're not catching the inner tube. As you're sewing, keep pulling the inner tube out as you continue to sew all the way around, but at the end, make sure to leave an inch to half an inch opening so they can pull out the inner tube later. Next is to mark the elastics. I like it around 8.5, but this is up to you. You want it tighter or less tight, depending on how much hair you have, and thread it through. Once it is threaded through, tie it at the 8.5 marking, and make sure you tie several times, and just close the opening. And we're done! I love these giant scrunchie, how large they are, and they give an extra oomph to any outfit. Not that you need this, but here's how you tie it. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like these, please subscribe. And if you'd like to skip all the sewing steps and just buy one, I drop an Etsy link down below. Thank you. Bye.